Good morning, dear students. Let's continue our class now. Previous day, we were solving question from exercise number 4D. We solved questions 1 and 2. Let us solve question number 3 today. Question number 3, all of you open your textbook and read the question. Number 3, in the expansion of 2x square minus 8 into x minus 4 whole square, find 1. Coefficient of x cube, second coefficient of x square, third constant. Now once more read the question. In the expansion of 2x square minus 8 into x minus 4 whole square, in the expansion, so we have to expand this, then only we can go to the question. So solution: 2x square minus 8 into x minus 4 whole square is equal. Let us expand this first of all. 2x square minus 8 into, here using a minus b whole square identity, let's expand this part using a minus b whole square. You know what is a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So using that identity, let us expand this. So we get x square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square. Then again this is equal to 2x square minus 8 into x square, multiply and write this, minus 8x plus 16. Again we have to remove the bracket by multiplying each term by 2x square. 2x square into x square. Look about carefully. This 2x square into x square, 2x raised to 4. 2x raised to 4. Again 2x square into minus 8x minus 16x cube. How you get x cube? This x square into x. X square into x is x cube. 2 into 8 minus 8 minus 16. So minus 16 x cube. Again this 2x square into this number, 2 into 16 plus 32x square. Again let's multiply each of these three terms by minus 8. First of all, we multiplied each of these three terms by 2x square, so that we get 2x raised to 4 minus 16x cube plus 32x square. Now let us multiply each of these terms by minus 8. Minus 8 into x square, minus 8x square. Again, minus 8 into minus 8. Minus into minus plus 8 into 8, 64. Plus 64x. Again, minus 8 into 16. Minus into plus, minus 16 into 8. Let's multiply. Minus 128. By 8 into 16. Minus 20. Again, we can see here there is only one x raised to 4 terms. This here 2x raised to 4 minus 16 is cube. So we write again 2x raised to 4 minus 16x cube. There is only one x cube there. There is only one x raised to 4 term. But you can see here these two terms are similar terms. Why? Because both contain x square. 32x square minus 8x square. Therefore both are similar terms. Let's simplify. Plus 32x square minus 8x square. After adding both we get plus 24x square plus 64x minus 128. Now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms we have. Now let's come to first question number 1. Find coefficient of x cube. Here is x cube. Term containing x cube is this one. Minus 16 h cube. Therefore, the answer of the first part, coefficient of h cube is equal to, look at the board very carefully, this term contains h cube and its coefficient is minus 16. Coefficient of h cube is minus 16. You have already studied in previous classes how to write coefficient. Coefficient of h cube, this is h cube, so its coefficient is minus 16. Now second part, coefficient of h square is equal to, here is h square, this term contains h square, so coefficient of h square is plus 24. Third part, constant term. We can see the term having no x. This is constant term or a number, minus 28, 128. So coefficient of h cube is minus 16. We write answer from this term, and the coefficient of h square is 24. We get from h square the 24 h square term, and constant term is minus 128. This is. Now let us discuss. I want to ask you, what is coefficient of x raised to 4? Coefficient of x raised to 4 is 2. It is not given in the question, but just I am asking you, coefficient of x raised to 4 is 2 plus 2. Likewise, coefficient of x is plus 24. Plus 64. So this way you can find out. First of all, we have to expand this. That's why it is given in the question in the expansion mode. First expand this. We have expanded here. After expanding simplification, we can reach at this step. Then we go to question number 1, then question number 2, then question number 3. This is the solution of question number 3. Now let's begin question. Let's solve question number 5. Question 5 I want to do. If 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, find x minus 1 by x. 1 x minus 1 by x. Second, x cube minus 1 by x cube. Question number 4 we did not solve now. That is given to you to practice at your home. Let's do question number 5 now. Question number 5, read the question. If 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, then find out this and the second one. So solution. 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, given in the question. It is given. Now let us remove this bracket. 2x square plus 2 into 2 is equal to 5x. Remove the bracket. We remove the bracket. Now go to the question number 1. Here is x minus 1 by x. So we have to divide each of these 3 terms. This term, second term and this term. Each of these 3 terms we have to divide by x. So after dividing each of the terms by x, we get 2x square by x plus 2 by x is equal to 5x by x. Dividing each term by x. This is the reason. Divided 2x square by x. This time 2 by x. Again 5x by x. This is x. Now 2x square by x is 2x. This is 2 by x as it is. Here can cancel x and x, we get plus 5. Now you can see here, in these two terms, 2 is common factor. 2x, 2 by x. So 2 is common factor in both of these terms. So let's take 2 common factor. 2 into x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Now x plus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to this 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2. This is not the first part. First part here is, first question is x minus 1 by x, but we are getting x plus 1 by x. Here it is plus sign, plus sign, plus sign, plus sign, plus sign. Here also we get x plus 1 by x, that is equal to 5 by 2. Our question is x minus 1 by x. So again we have to apply identity. So let's apply identity. The value of x plus 1 by x is 5 by 2. I am solving here. The identity that you learned in the previous classes, let's apply that identity. You know, x plus 1 by x all square minus x minus 1 by x all square is equal to 4. We are going to apply this identity. Now we can apply the formula here. Value of x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Here we write the value of x plus 1 by x, 5 by 2 all square, minus x minus 1 by x all square is equal to 4. 25 by 4 minus x minus 1 by x all square is equal to 4. And you know, this is negative term. Let's take negative term to RHS and bring this positive 4 to LHS, so that we get x minus 1 by x all square is equal to 25 by 4 minus 4. Look at the board very carefully. Here we have minus x minus 1 by x all square. To make it positive, we are taking this term to RHS and bringing this 4 to LHS, so that we get x minus 1 by x all square is equal to 25 by 4 minus 4. Now let's simplify this. 25 by 4. Let's take LCM. Here LCM is 4. Here we get 25 minus 4 into 4, 16. This is equal to 25 minus 16, 9. 9 by 4. So answer is x minus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus root 9 by 4, which is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. Plus or minus 3 by 2. Now let's go to the second part. Look at the board how this first part is solved. X minus 1 by x all square is equal to 25 by 4 minus 4. I think you understood how this line you obtained. Then after taking LCM 4 and 1 4, then 25, then 4 into 4 16 minus 16, then 25 minus 16 9 by 4. X minus 1 by x is plus or minus square root of 9 by 4 after taking square root. After taking square root we get plus or minus 3 by square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2, so we get x plus or minus 3 by 2. Now let's go to the next second part of the same question. Second part of the same question. Second part. X cube. This is x cube minus 1 by x. You know the identity. X cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. This is equal to, you know, x minus 1 by x. The value we have now plus or minus 3 by 2. I am writing plus or minus 3 by 2 all cube. So when you consider here plus or minus a, so when you consider plus value first, when x minus 1 by x is equal to plus 3 by 2, when x minus 1 by x is equal to plus 3 by 2, we have 3 by 2 all cube plus 3 into 3 by 2. This is 3 cube is 27. 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 3, 9 by 2. Then this is equal to, again, let's add both these numbers. LCM is 8, here it is 27 plus 8 upon 2 is 4, 4 into 9, 36. Divide this LCM 8 by this denominator 2, that is 8 by 2 is 4. Then 4 into 9 is 36. Then let us add this. After adding, we get 63 by plus 8. 63 by 8. Now, when you consider the next number, which number? Negative. Minus 3 by 2. When x minus 1 by x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Again write the same identity. X cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to x minus 1 by x all cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. This is equal to, put the value, minus 3 by 2 all cube plus 3 into minus 3 by 2. We are substituting the value. Minus 3 by 2. In this place, minus 3 by 2 is substituted, so that we get minus 3 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into, again, minus 3 by 2. Now, this is minus 27 by 8 minus 3 into 3, 9 by 2. After taking LCM here also 8. Now, numerator becomes minus 27 minus. Again, same thing we are getting here 36. We get, after adding, we get minus 63 by 8. So, the final answer is x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to plus or minus. We are getting one positive value and a negative value. Plus or minus 63 by 8 is the answer of the second part. Dear students, let's conclude today. We will continue tomorrow.